Elon Musk, the guy from South Africa, teenage kid who is introverted and always their time spent on reading books and gaining knowledge. All the time he reads book, ambitious and intelligent. When he small kid, he built the game name as Blaster and sell this game to $500 to a company. When he be touched the teenage and thinking about his future and see the opportunity of growing in USA, he want to reach the USA, but he can't go to USA because he is just teenager. But in that time, he certainly managed the going to reach certainly managed to reach the Canada. His relatives lives in Canada. Alone, he traveled to Canada and spent some time in Canada. After that, he reached the Queen's University. The reason of reaching the Queen's University is because this in Queen's University lots of beautiful girls in that university, and his Jackson say that his three wives, 12 children. I don't know why, but lots of top people are just like Elon Musk. They are not satisfied in their relationship. Okay, after he managed to get in University of Pennsylvania, the Ivy League college. Ivy League colleges like Oxford, Columbia, Princeton, and some college. Ivy League is colleges, universities, Columbia, Princeton, Pennsylvania, Oxford, and other some universities group that play the games just like university game, and this games called a Ivy League, just like football game Premier League, just like that. He get the he reached the Pennsylvania after from in Queen's University one, and in Queen's Pennsylvania University he observed that you can earn 2 degrees both at same time. So he decided to take the BSc Economics, Bachelor in Economics, and Bachelor in Physics. After the graduating, his brother Kimball and he want to start a business. So, like the other people who get their ideas, philosophical ideas, spiritual or other things of knowledge by traveling. Traveling makes us, I don't know, but traveling is a always in key role of making strong peoples. Steve Jobs travel India and also Mark Zuckerberg. So Kimball and Elon buy a BMW, no, at least BMW or something car, and they travel all across the USA, and they got the idea of a platform that showing people on internet the exact location of the shops and stores on internet by tracking them, just like today's version of Google Maps, something just like that or little different. Kimball managed the selling and marketing business, and Elon managing the coding and other stuffs, financials also. I think financial and the drive of the Elon Musk. He work lots and lots. When they sell the Zip2, he make 12, 13 or 14 million or something more than the money. Then he get into a life-changing business, X.com, today known as a PayPal, an online transaction platform that reshaped the online banking. He's done the internship in in bank and learned that bankers are rich and dumb, and he decided to starting the X.com, a service that provide people to transfer money via email. If you send email service, something like that. and he succeed. चलो करें।